What's up, guys? In this video I'll show you how to change video quality preferences on YouTube permanently. So if you have problem where videos the video quality is fluctuating and you always want it to be on a higher quality or on a lower quality, maybe to save data, this is how you do it. So the first thing you have to do is go to your YouTube app on your phone and go to the top right hand corner and touch on the profile icon. This will bring in a menu, so select settings, and from here you can see it says just on the first row, just on the fourth row, it says video quality preferences, so select that. And on default it's on auto, so YouTube will select the quality based on your internet connection. So if you always want to see crisp pictures, higher quality pictures, select higher quality. And also it's different for on data and on Wi-Fi, so you can also select both of them on higher picture quality. And if you want them to be on a lower picture quality, so to save data or your internet speed is not that fast, so you can put it on data saver, so it will load the videos in a lower quality. And if you select higher quality, it will always make the videos or select the videos in the highest quality. So this is how you permanently alter the video quality preferences on the YouTube app. So thanks for watching and see you next time.